Well, everyone, iOS 27 has just been officially announced, and it's going to be out in a developer beta very soon. But you might be wondering if iOS 27 is available on the iPhone XR. Now, the short answer of this is no. If you have an iPhone XR or an iPhone XS, you will not be able to install iOS 27 whatsoever. iOS 27 is only available on the iPhones that basically got iOS 26, so you need an iPhone 11 or above. So if you have an iPhone 11 or above, then you will basically be able to install iOS 27. But if you're on iOS 26, you can also get iOS 27. But the iPhone XR here is not available on iOS 27. So I know it's unfortunate. If you have this phone, keep in mind maybe there will be some more updates in the future. But as of this point, you will not be able to fully install iOS 27 on an iPhone XR. So in terms of that covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.